Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heading to the shattered fen at night because the spawn density increases. You want to catch clusters early. Once there, sweep along the western ridge where luminous mushrooms mark higher yield zones. Make sure to move slowly and use one torch to keep vision steady. You also need a net and a small vial to hold unstable fragments. You do this now to stack initial fragments quickly, which makes the next refinement steps faster and reduces loss. Now you switch to careful collection and refinement because the purity determines success. You capture raw cyst fragments intact using the net. Avoid smashing them, since that lowers yield. Once you have 10-15 fragments, grind them in a mortar at a 1:3 ratio, 1 fragment to 3 pulses, to release crystalline bits. After grinding, sift through a 0.5 mesh to separate fine dust from larger debris. You do this step slowly to finish by stabilizing and storing the dust so it remains usable. You place the sifted powder in a low-heat desiccator for 5 to 7 minutes. This removes residual moisture and helps crystals harden. Once done, transfer the crystalline cyst dust into a sealed vial and label it with date and location so you track provenance. If you notice clumping, make sure to re-sift and air dry for 10 minutes. If yield looks low, revisit the shattered fen and focus on intact fragment collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.